At 26 here, just interested in pairs and hobbies, and as promised, we're doing an unboxing video here. And the first package we're going to open up, it's a very sharp knife, is it? Let's see what we got here. Well, we've got some green dots. These are for to put on the reel of the filament, just to see how as it goes around. We watch by video camera, and that'll show up nicely. Let's see what else we got here. We got silver paint. We need some silver paint. Got silver paint. That's one. And that's one package. Put it over there. Let's open up the next one. I gotta really change the blade on this thing. And open up this. I know, cut it open, right? We don't really want to do that. Let's see what's in here. Well, these are, I need one anyway, so. These are battery boxes for the robot. So we got some battery boxes. So far we got stickers, paint, and battery boxes. And these are gonna go in this package over there. Let's see, let's look in here. What's this? Wow, these screws are pretty small. I didn't think they'd be this small. Huh. Well, hopefully. I ordered more screws. These are screws. And they're eyeglass screws, actually. And they're actually too small. Oh, well. We'll get it in the next one. See, is that empty? Would have missed that, see? Put those to the side. Oh, and this I've been wanting. The Founder. This is the McDonald's story I'm going to watch later with Michael Keaton. And it's all about McDonald's. And I kind of sliced it there, but that's okay. I'll take the shrink wrap off of it. Anyway. Good movie. So that's the unboxing for today, and I hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna get rid of these brown bags in a while. I gotta change this. And you know, I forget how to change it. I forget how to change the blade on this thing. Oh yeah. You gotta push it down. You gotta push it down and pull it out. And we take that and we wrap it up in duct tape. Yeah, let's use some tape that we're not gonna use. So this is a little bit longer video. I'm gonna take some of this surgical tape and we don't want anybody to cut themselves or anything. You know, if they reach into the bag. So you take it and you wrap it up in tape like that. Tear it off. Then we can throw it away safely. See? And then we get another blade here. Stick it in there. Like that. This goes down like that on these knives. This is a cobalt, so we'll put that away. So we'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day. Please rate and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Ugh, my shoulder's out, backed out. And God bless you. Bye for now.